everyone, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing and swatching one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. These are one of the affordable ones out of the high-end liquid lipsticks out there. So if you're interested to know my thoughts on the Sephora cream lip stains, stay tuned. Sephora cream lip stains are the liquid lipsticks from Sephora brand itself. These are in-house liquid lipsticks from Sephora. These being high-end liquid lipsticks are just $15. I would say one of the affordable high-end liquid lipsticks. I want to say usually most of the high-end liquid lipsticks are over $20, up to $25 is what I've seen. So these are just $15, which is an amazing price. Let me tell you something that blows your mind. They have over 100 shades. Yes, over 100 shades of liquid lipsticks from this line, and you will find literally every kind of shade in this line. They have some beautiful nudes, they have some beautiful reds, maroons, they have some nice oranges, pinks, purples, some crazy colors like greens, grays, violets. I mean, over 100 shades in this line, so you can imagine every lipstick shade in this line. They also have different finishes, so I just have one metallic and the rest of the ones I have are matte, so I'm not sure what else finishes they have. Now coming to the packaging, just a standard packaging, no fancy schmancy here, and this is the color you're gonna get on your lips, and it has a black cap and a standard doe foot applicator which works very perfectly to coat your entire lip. It also helps with lining your cupid's bow as well, picks up the right amount of products. So packaging wise, I don't have any complaints. The only little thing that I get annoyed with this liquid lipsticks is I do not see the name on the lipsticks. So they have numbers, so the numbers are on a little sticker right here. They do have very cute names actually, so I actually saved the name of one. So this is called Rock and Purple. So they have really nice names, but unfortunately once you remove the wrapper, you only get to see the number and you cannot see the name of it. The names are actually on the website if you want to see. So that's one little thing that annoys me. Not that I use the name every single time, but I like to know the name of it, right? Now first I'm going to talk about the matte ones I have. So pigmentation wise, amazing. The formula is a little thin. It's not mousse, it's not a runny formula, it's just a thin liquid lipstick formula that goes very easily on the lips, not patchy, not streaky, dries down to the perfect matte finish. It does not move around throughout the day, it does not fade, it does not go away until you eat something patchy or until you remove it with a oil based remover. This lipstick is not going to move off your lips. These are not drying. It's perfect, let alone any pointers you take. The matte formula is just amazing, hands down. Now coming to the metallic finish I have, this is the first Sephora cream lip stain I got. This is from one of the first few shades they released. They might be having like less than 15 shades when they first started, and they slowly expanded their line. So this is from their first batch. I'm not sure if it still stands the same, but the first one I started with is with a metallic finish. This is not too metallic, as in lately we've been seeing metallic finishes being properly metallic looking on the lips. This is not like that. This is matte, but it kind of has a little bit of sheen in it. The only complaint I have with this formula is it goes on streaky on the lips. It takes about 2 or 3 coats for the lipstick to actually look opaque on the lips. Unlike the matte ones, this is the only complaint I have with this one. But once the color is fully there on the lips, again it does not move, stays longer, it's comfortable and all that jazz, and looks very beautiful. I specifically like this pink color. So you guys go check them out. For the price, for the formula, for the shade range, I mean, these are the perfect liquid lipsticks out there. I have actually 8 shades right here, so I have 4 of the full size ones, but I also have these teeny weeny tiny cute little ones that I actually got in this set. I think this set is still available on Sephora. If it is, I'll leave the link in the description box below. And every year during the holidays, Sephora releases a set like this for I think $10, and if you wait for the season to end, you can get this for like $5 or $6 in the sale section. So that's how I have this set. And out of the 8 I have, I'm not going to swatch this little one. This is in the shade number 32, and the name is called Blush Nude. It's too pale for me. I know I'm not gonna use this, so I'm not gonna swatch this particular shade. So I'm going to swatch the rest of the 7 shades. So let's see the gorgeous swatches. Those are the 7 shades I have. Which one did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. My personal favorite is actually this one, which is a beautiful watermelon color. I think this is called Strawberry Kisses, I guess. I actually got this after I saw this on Shams from Shams Makeup Artistry. So this is one of my favorite shades. It's so bright. Every time in the summer this comes out, I personally love it. And this shade is a beautiful nude color. I just love the undertone of it in the shade 23. This was actually gifted to me by Tanuja from Tanuja Space. Love this shade. And I also like the new addition to my collection. This is in the shade 56. This is called Rock and Purple. It's such a gorgeous purple color. I'm definitely going to put this to a lot of use. Also from the minis, I like all the 3 minis. This particular shade number 1, which is called Always Red, is very popular. It is supposed to be one of the perfect red lipstick out there, and I really like the orangey red color of this one. Truly compliments me. And also these 2 little shades, love them. I mean, this nude shade is gorgeous, which is what I have on my lips right now. And also this shade called 14. I think this is also a very popular shade. It's called, yeah, Blackberry Sorbet. I heard many good things about this for medium brown skin colors. So yeah, I think I like all the colors I have. The only thing that I left out is the pink color, which is also my favorite. I pulled this out in the summer. So I like all the 7 shades I have, but let me know in the comments below which one you liked on me, and let me know if you're thinking of purchasing one of these. I'm also going to link a few of my fellow YouTubers videos in the description box below. So 100 shades, I mean, just the 7 shades I swatch is definitely not enough. So I'm going to pick some videos that are around my skin color, so you get to see swatches of more shades, and you can just make a call on which shades you want. If you enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button. And also, if this is the first time you're watching my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram. I'm Deepika Makeup there. I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.